गोयच्या कृषी क्षेत्रात मोलादीक आधार दिवपी ICARचो स्थापना दीस दबाज्यान जालो। ह्या निमतान ICARन वर्सभर राबयल्या तरेकवार उपक्रमात येस मेळिल्ल्यांचो भोवमान जालो।
Definitely they will cater the needs of the farmers of the Goa. Then there are so many technologies in pipeline. We hope next year we will get some more IPR technologies. That means will be definitely something like commercial technologies, something in vegetable varieties, plant protection technologies. So we assure you, another 2-3 years we will get very good package of technologies. And as you told, these technologies will be using for the coastal area, because almost whether at least first we are targeting, sir, to be very frank, first 1 or 2 years we will be targeting first west coast, because west coast and east coast, as per my knowledge, it behaves different way. And then once we open one substation in the east coast, then we will concentrate on east coast. But now survey and data collection will be doing this year for all the coast what you are told. So
by 2050, but 2050 is a year by which we expect the population to stabilize. Okay, so now what we need by that time, what kind of production scenario to generate for different activities. Let us say we talk of food products, we would be needing around 450 million tons of food grains by that time. And how much we are producing today? It is around 270. It is the best estimate which is prepared for this year. It will be the highest so far. It is around 271 million tons of food grain production we are expecting this year. It is because of good monsoon season. Because we are dependent on the vagaries of monsoon. Tomorrow there is some drought, it will decline now further. So now when we formulated the National Agriculture Policy way back in 2000, we had fixed a target of 4% agricultural growth every year. It means in 2000 our production was around 200 million tons. Now we are entering 2017, we already entered. So 5 million tons was to be added every year to production targets.
ह्या वेळार IRCAR वतीन विंगड वस्तूंचे प्रदर्शन आयोजित केले। प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठी।
पणजी, पर्वरी आनी कळंगुटीच्या वाडट्या ट्रॅफिकाचेर उपाय काडपा खातीर मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी ट्रॅफिक सेलाच्या ऑफिसांत खास बसका आपयल्ली। ह्या बसकेक पणजेचे आमदार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार, कळंगुटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो, पर्वरीचे आमदार रोहन खंवटे, ट्रॅफिक सेलाचे ऑफिसर, CCP कमिशनर, डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ पंचायत हजर आशिल्ले।
सिच्युएशन जे आयज वाडत चल्लें आसा गाडयांचें प्रमाण, सो खंय तरी बऱ्या प्रमाणांत एक नवी ट्रॅफिक सिस्टम अंमलात हाडची, नवे एनफोर्समेंट सारको करचो आनी जी वायलेशन जाता ती एक स्ट्रिक्टली तांचेर नजर दवरून ते बंद करची अशें एक ओवरऑल निर्णय जाला। खुबशे जे मांडवी ब्रिजा खातीर जे काम चालू आसा ताजे बद्दल एक ट्रॅफिकाचो फूल रिव्यू जालो। आमचे कलंगूट आतां हॉलिडे सिजन येता, सो तें ट्रॅफिक वाडपाचें आतां संभावना आसा, सो ताका लागून कलंगूटचो ट्रॅफिकाचो रिव्यू जालो।
खंयचे ट्रॅफिक सेलान कितें रिक्वायरमेंट आसा आनी ते लोकल जे पळय इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स आसा तांचे कडेन विचारून घेतले की वॉट इज देयर रिक्वायरमेंट फ्रॉम ट्रॅफिक सेल। सो दे हॅव हर्ड देम and whatever the solution possible we will
specific point we asle
the Kalangut area, Porvory area and the working of the bridge was discussed.
So any diversion we
nothing only thing certain traffic to be allowed at which time and during the progress of the bridge how we are going to manage the traffic, that was discussed.
Okay.
Now the bridge work, the new bridge from Porvorim to Panjim, that bridge spans have to be put, that is the main slabs. They need to work at night, so they are also looking at the angle of at night 11 o'clock till morning 5:30 to make a traffic diversion from Beti, so that these slabs are put before the rains till the last pillar of the Panjim of the bridge, that is at Betim side. हे करपा खातीर आयज CMन डिस्कशन केला। स्मूथ फ्लो ऑफ ट्रॅफिक इन कलंगूट, खूब प्रॉब्लम आहा कलंगूटान, त्या खातीर ट्रॅफिक प्लॅन वर्कआउट कर म्हटला, पार्किंग एंड नो पार्किंग नोटिफिकेशन कर म्हटला।
मजगती पर्वरेच्या सर्व्हिस रोडाचे हॉट मिक्सिंग काम सुरू झाला। ह्या कामाविषयी आमदार रोहन खंवटेन खोशी उक्तायला।
With the ongoing works of the Mandovi bridge, it is still become cumbersome for people and our people coming to Porvorim to travel. ताज्या खातीर सर्वीस रोड जो कंडिशनान आशिल्लो was not possible for people to have a motorable road.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी आणि निलेश परवार.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.